Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Ayedatiwa takes commanding lead in Ondo gubernatorial poll after winning 15 of 18 local government areas. Lucky Ayedatiwa, the All Progressive Congress candidate, is well ahead of his compatriots in the Ondo governorship election. The Independent National Electoral Commission commenced the announcement of the results at midnight on Saturday. So far, results from 15 local government areas have been announced with 3 outstanding. Ayedatiwa has pulled 268,144 votes so far, while Agboola Ajayi, the People's Democratic Party, has secured 79,125 votes, and Abbas Mimiko of the Zenith Labour Party has won 2,365. The APC candidate, who is the incumbent governor, has won in all the 15 local governments, including the strongholds of his challengers. Results from Ilaje, Ondo, and Odigbo local government are still being expected at the collation center. The collation exercise was adjourned till 12 p.m. by the INEC returning officer for the election. Meanwhile, on the INEC result viewing portal, 99% of the governorship election results have been uploaded. The election, which took place on Saturday, was largely peaceful and devoid of violence in most parts of the state. However, journalists and civil society organizations observed several cases of voting trading. This situation has continued unabatedly and heightened in this election. It is worrying that despite the high presence of security personnel at the polling units, vote trading went on openly, unchecked during the voting hours. The Nigerian Civil Society Situation Room said in its preliminary assessment, my brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In a related issue too, see what is going on. They say Ayedatiwa is winning in other local government. See what is going on again in the other local government areas of the state. Breaking Ondo decides. INEC declares Lucky Ayedatiwa winner of the election. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has declared Governor Lucky Ayedatiwa of the All Progressive Congress as the winner of the Saturday's governorship election in Ondo State. Ayedatiwa was declared winner after pulling the highest number of votes in the election. The incumbent governor battled Ajayi Agboola of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Olorunfemi Festus of the Labour Party, LP, and Abbas Mimiko of Zenith Labour Party. Among others in Saturday's poll, according to the announcement, the results in Akure, the state capital, INEC's returning officer, and the Vice Chancellor of the Federal University, Lokoja, Professor Akinwumi Olayemi Durotimi, said Ayedatiwa pulled a total of 366,781, while Ajayi got 117,845, while LP had 1,162. You see, my people, this is what we are saying. That it seems as this election, although Gud.Poll is more fairer than that of Ondo. My brothers and sisters, here another announcement from the Gud.Poll. Breaking: Ayedatiwa again wins in the governorship poll in Ondo. See what we are saying now, that we should be careful and know what we do and know what we say. Ondo Governor Lucky Ayedatiwa has triumphed in the Ondo governorship election, winning all 18 local government areas in the state. Ayedatiwa, who contested on the platform of the ruling All Progressive Congress, won the poll after all votes were collated by the Independent National Electoral Commission. The governor swept all 18 local government areas of the state after the completion of the collation exercise on Sunday, November 17, 2024. He defeated his opponent, amongst whom are Falaye Ajiboye, Accord Party, Akinuli Omolere, Action Alliance, Olatunji Popoola, All Progressive Grand Alliance, Olorunfemi Ayodele, Labour Party, and agboola Ajayi, People's Democratic Party, to clinch the victory. INEC is yet to declare the official result, but with the collation done so far, Ayedatiwa has won the election. Watch the critical analysis and know the responsible parties to blame for Nigeria's economic challenges, while citizens endure severe hardship. The economic crisis and the hardship in Nigeria are part of the discussion. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That we have to be up and doing in this country. Do the needful, most especially the politicians. Insecurity here and there, hardship, hunger. Things are going up every day. My brother and sister, in the comment section, feel free to say your opinion and subscribe to this channel. Share love and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.